Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So yesterday I was at the beauty supply store and I thought like I want to do a challenge. Like I want to spend $100 on hair products, like new hair products that I've never used before, and I don't know why. I'm not rich, so I don't know why I thought of this idea. But yeah, so I was at the beauty supply store, and when I checked the price, guys, yo, I forgot about like how much hair products is very expensive. Like a shampoo was like $20, like $25. I was like, excuse me, I'm not Bill Gates. So yeah, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that video anymore, like spending $100 at the beauty supply store, but I thought that I would buy some new stuff. So I thought that I was like gonna walk out with like 2 full bags of hair products with my $100, but I ended up spending $80 and I walked out with 5 products, guys. $80 for 5 products. Like, if you don't trust me, look at that. I don't know if you can see it, like $78.70. That's the total. $80 for 5 products. So if you want to see what I bought and how much it cost, just keep on watching. So first of all, you know that I love Creme of Nature products, so they recently came out with a new line, their Plex Breakage Defense. It looks like that. So I know it comes with a shampoo, a conditioner, and a serum, but I'm very picky with my shampoos, so I didn't want it to try the shampoo, so I only choose the conditioner. It's the restoring conditioner. So this is the last step of the 3 new products of this new line that they have, but that's the one that I choose. Like, if it's a good product, it should work good on its own, right? I hope. So yeah, this is good. So it's supposed to moisturize and improve the appearance of dry, damaged strands. So it's made with castor oil and argan oil, so 2 ingredients that I really love, so I'm sure I'm gonna like it. So the smell of it is like, it smells good. I don't know how to describe that, but and also it's like very thick, like it doesn't go down. So I love thick conditioner. It's really easy to like detangle, and it says it's gonna moisturize my hair, so I can't wait to see if that's true. So I got that, and this is good because it's made for like damaged hair, I think, and chemically treated hair. So of course, relaxed hair or colored hair, this is good for you. So how about that? Then I got this Head and Shoulder Deep Moisture Mask from their Royal Oil line. So it looks like that. Honestly, I've never heard of this line before. Like, I was really surprised when I seen that in the beauty supply store, because I know Head and Shoulder is more for like white people and for dandruff. I love their shampoo for the dandruff, it's the best one, but yeah, it's more for like white people stuff. But it really says it's for curly to relaxed hair. Like, this is meant for us, guys. So this is what it looks like, the hair mask. It smells like their Head and Shoulder products. Like, it's really thick also. I love thick products. Then I got another hair mask. So this is from Tgin. Thank God it's natural hair brand, so it's their Honey Miracle hair mask. So this line is very popular. Oh no, I forgot to say the price. Okay, sorry. So this conditioner from Cream of Nature was $8.49. This mask from Head and Shoulder was $13.99. And this mask from Tgin is $22.99. $22.99. Guys, when I saw the price, I was like, do I really want to buy it? But obviously, like, I did. This is also a thick hair mask, so it smells like honey. It smells good. Smells good. So of course it's a honey miracle hair mask. It's with raw honey and olive oil. So it's supposed, well, let me read you what it says. So it's an intense, deep, penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. So that's good. My hair is not dry, but I love like hair treatment that are meant for dry hair because it gives more moisture to my hair than I need to, so that's good. I heard like many good reviews on this stuff on YouTube and on Instagram, so I know I'm gonna like it for sure. But $22.99. So after I got this Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, so that's their Strengthen and Wish. Guys, sorry for my accent, I'm sorry. It's their Strengthen and Restore Anti-Breakage Spray with shea butter and peppermint. So it's from the Jamaican Black castor oil line. So it looks like that. So yes, so it says condition and protect natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. So this is also very good for us relax hair people. So yeah, it's a leave-in conditioner. So look at that. I don't know if I like the smell. It smells like, how do I say that? Let me search the translation of what I meant to say. For my French people, it smells like pâte à modeler. Modeling clay. Modeling clay. So I don't know if that's the right translation, but that's what Google says, so we're gonna go with that. So that's the smell of it. Well, if it's good for my hair, maybe I'm gonna love it. But $18.99. $18.99. Shea Moisture. That's it. Okay, so last but not least, I was running out of heat protectant, so I went and looked for one. Like, I couldn't find like one heat protectant like in the whole store. I was like, what's going on? People don't use heat protectant anymore? That's like super important. But yeah, the only heat protector, I don't know, that I found was this thing, like really small thing. It's 120 milliliters. So it's from the line Tyche Black. I don't know this line, never heard of that line before. So it's their blow dry and flat iron thermal shield with keratin. So it's a heat protector. That's the only one that I could find in the store, so that's the one that I took. So I really hope it's gonna protect my hair from the heat. Even though I don't use direct heat, I use a hooded dryer to dry my hair with my roller set, so I still use a heat protectant for that. So this is what I'm gonna use for now on. This was not expensive though, it was $3.99, so that's good, but I hope it's gonna be good for my hair too. So yeah guys, these are the 5 products that I got for 80 bucks. Yo, I'm so shook. Like, $80, you know what I could do with that? You know how much I could eat with that? But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have already tried one of these products that I just showed. Let me know what products that I should buy that is not expensive, not too much expensive, because you know I'm not that rich. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video, to share with all your friends, to leave a comment, and to subscribe. So don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before. So thank you, guys. Bye.